What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've made a couple videos now of this Dyson V7 car and boat, but getting on to the last couple videos here, a very important tip that I want to talk to you guys about. It'll be really quick. It's just that when you get your unit and machine with your attachments, make sure you guys are charging your batteries all the way up until the status bar LED light turns off. They do claim here that the battery is only at 20% charge, and they say, or put a warning on the actual trigger here in yellow and black saying charge fully before use. It's very important that you do so, just so that you don't have any problems with the machine, because I've had a little problem, well, not with this machine, but with other things that I've purchased, that when you get it out of the box, you're just ready to use it. And I've done so with like a battery one time, and I didn't fully charge it up. And after I use it the first time, when I go to charge it, it never fully charges again. And that's something that may happen, or may not happen with things that you purchase like this that have warning labels that come pre-charged but not fully charged, like this, saying that it's only 20% charged rather than 100% charged, and they tell you to charge fully before use. So make sure you guys are charging these Dyson V7s when you get them out of the box fully to the 100% mark. When this LED light goes off, when it is charging, the light is blue, but when it turns off and it's still plugged into the outlet or your car charger, make sure that light turns off, letting you know that it is fully charged, and that's when you're okay to go ahead and use the machine. But that's the important tip, guys. Just wanted to let you guys know that fully charge these machines out of the box. Do not just go ahead and stick an attachment on and start cleaning. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't seen the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 video, the little funny tip there, funny thing about how I got this $300 vacuum for free, make sure you go check that out as well. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.